About a week ago, I made a 3-hour-long masterclass on how to create organic viral content for OnlyFans creators. But today, I wanted to simplify that whole masterclass in a short 5-minute video. And the reason I wanted to do that is because there was a lot of things in that video that take time to learn and understand. And so I just want you guys to be able to fast track straight away to the result, right? I want to give you guys how can you make the fastest progress without learning all the crazy things there is about organic content, like hooks and ideation and all these different things that go into creating viral content for OnlyFans creators, right? So that's what we're going to do in this video today. I'm literally going to show you the easiest way to think about it and then the easiest way to go and recreate using the steal like an artist principle. That being said, let's just jump straight over to the laptop and break down exactly what I'm talking about. So this is the simplest way to break it down, right? Just a super simple doc, and I'll show you exactly how you steal like an artist to create viral pieces of content for OnlyFans creators, right? Now, in this one, I literally just want to show one example just to make it simple. Like I said, my aim is not to overwhelm you, right? So we've got 3 videos that I've selected you, and then I'm showing you what happens when you combine those 3 videos using the steal like an artist principle to create another viral video, right? So these are all viral videos, right? So let's take a look at this viral video, right? If we go here, let me watch this. Everyone knows what this video is, right? It's the Daniel Mac classic video. This is a viral format that's proven to work, right? Hey, what do you do for a living, right? We all know that hook, viral, this entire format, viral. Okay, cool. So that's one, right? Then we've got another one. Don't talk on the mic and I'll buy you wherever. We want Jack Doherty's principle, right? So if you take a look at this.
Excuse me, don't talk on the mic and I'll buy you whatever you want. Do you understand the rules? Tell me your name real quick and, you sure? All right, you win. What do you want?
I kind of want these diapers for...
That's another viral kind of format that works really well, right? It's proven, right? And then the last one, Mr. Beast, right? Mr. Beast has done this video idea tons of times, and so have other loads of people recreated this principle, right?
If I give you $100, would you go to Paris to give me a baguette?
If I give you $100, would you go to Paris to get me a baguette, right? So now we've got these 3 videos as the base foundation, right? Now, yeah, you can go copy these videos and they do well, but what about using the steal like an artist twist and combining the videos and almost making like a Frankenstein of all 3 videos to make one video, right? Well, that's what you get when you do that, right? This is exactly what you get when you combine all 3 videos, right? So if you take a look at this, so let's take a look at this video, right?
Excuse me, I'll give you each $100 if you can show me what you do for a living without talking.
I'll give you both $100 if you can show me what you do for a living without talking. He's combined all 3 videos. What do you do for a living? Daniel Mac, right? I'll give you $100, Mr. Beast, with the hand, right? And then don't talk in the mic, right? Don't talk, I'll give you $100 if you show me what you do for a living, right? Literally, he's combined these 3 videos, boom, 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 and made this one video idea from combining and using the steal like an artist principle. 3 formats that are proven to work. Yeah, he could have gone and recreated those videos and just slightly recreated them, but instead what he's done is combined all of them. And some of the best content creators, some of the best YouTubers, some of the best short form creators, all use this principle, and you see it time and time again. It's never like usually original ideas. Don't get me wrong, there's tons of original ideas that pop off, right? Someone has to come up with the ideas, and you can do that, and that's what a 3-hour masterclass is going to teach you how to do. But the simplest way is just steal like an artist, and this is like the most easy, proven method to go viral. Just steal things that work, take elements from things that work, and combine them together to make one new format, right? This is now a new video. And so now you could take this and combine it with something else and create another new format, right? And so if we watch the rest of the video.
Your IG models, influencer, they're getting, do you guys do, bye?
And so that is literally the perfect example of what happens when you combine 3 viral formats into one new format, right? So that's the easiest way to think about organic short form content. So if you thought this was valuable and want to learn a lot more about all of this organic marketing side of things and just OnlyFans management in general and how you can make money from it, just like me, then go and join the Skool community. There's literally tons of value in there, not just for myself, but other 6, 7, and even 8-figure OnlyFans agency owners. So yeah, go join it. There's currently like over $25,000 worth of value in there for $97 a month, plus weekly calls with me for the entire month of February. And after February, I will be removing some of the stuff like my Inner Cirlce program that I'm currently giving away in there for $97. And so yeah, literally, if you join in February, you'll still continue to stay at the $97 a month price, and you'll continue to have access to all the things like my Inner Cirlce program. But after February, if you join, you're not going to get access to that anymore. We're trying to win the Skool game, so now is the best time to join to get access to all of this insanely valuable information, plus calls with me, plus calls with Steven. So yeah, now's the best time to join. $97 a month, change your life, you decide. Let's go, see you at the top.